Hi everybody, I'd like to offer a quick tutorial about how to submit your walks from your walking assignments. First, you will need to go into the slideshow and go to File, make a copy the entire presentation, and then rename it. So let's give it a quick name. Instead of Susan H., which is my name, let's go with Ty Jones. Click OK. And you will see that the name has changed up at the top, which lets me know that it's your slideshow. After you complete walk 1, come to the left side, click the plus, and you can add your title, walk 1, and then come on the rest of the slide, and you'll need to include all these required components that are listed at the top of the slideshow. As stated in the directions, be as creative as you'd like. You can keep the same slide format from walk to walk or create a new design each time. Whatever works best for you is certainly okay with me. You need to always include a photo, time and or distance walked, the location, 3 descriptive words, and an interesting thought about your walk. Perhaps the temperature, a playlist, a podcast, did you walk with a friend? Did you see something that caught your attention? Anything that has piqued your curiosity. When you are satisfied with your slide, scroll to the top right to the share button, click on that. Make sure at the bottom that your link will be accessible to people in the academy and the college. That will enable me to have access to your slide, which will help you get full credit. Copy the link, and then go back into Moodle and paste it into the assignment. Please email me if you have any questions about this process. It's set up in the slideshow format so that when you get to the end of the course, you'll be able to have a slideshow to review and write your reflection of your time in FitWalk. Thanks a bunch. Best wishes, everybody.